Hello everyone and welcome to a quick Minecraft Teams tutorial. In today's video I want to show you how to turn off hardware acceleration in Teams. This is actually quite simple. To do this we open Microsoft Teams, click on the three dots at the top right and go to Settings. Here we stay at General and under Application we find the option Disable GPU Hardware Acceleration. I check the box and now I have to restart Microsoft Teams once. Unfortunately, Teams does not offer a button for this, so we have to do it manually. You should note that Microsoft Teams may continue to run in the background. We then have to close it using the hidden icons. And when Teams now has restarted, hardware acceleration is switched off. And that's all you need to know. I hope you enjoyed the video and I will see you again in the next tutorial. Until then, your tutorial guy. Bye.